Cody with CJC Off-Road. Today's video is all about carrying a full-size spare on your HD truck. Now, for a very long time, there was really no solution for getting a 35. Sometimes you could shoehorn one underneath your truck, but getting a 35-inch spare, 37-inch spare was pretty much not going to happen for your Ram, Ford, GM, Dodge, Chevrolet, any of them. There was not a good solution for getting full-size spare tires with these trucks. So you put 37s on them, you complete your build, you're kind of stuck rolling with the stock donut size spare or maybe one size bigger that would fit underneath the truck and things like that. Now with the Ford platform, the Illumi and Up trucks, Carly introduced their trophy hitch. It's a very cool piece. We have separate videos on that. But today we're going to look at a little bit more affordable solution and a very simple setup that can also be removed whenever you need to. And that is going to be the RIG'd /CJC Off-Road UltraSwing and RambleSwing carriers. Now, what these are going to be hitch-mounted tire carriers. The UltraSwing is a tire carrier. The RambleSwing is just a simple swing out. We'll get to that at the end of the video, but we're going to focus on the UltraSwing. So what it is a hitch-mounted tire carrier that gives you two hitches. You have your OEM hitch, just extender, so you can mount whatever you needed to on that, and then you have your swing-out rack. So you really have a dual-purpose device here. I've always associated these with guys who want to put a bicycle on the back of their truck, but they're really so much more. Hunting guys, camping guys, you can put like the pack meal or some kind of cargo basket on the swing out. Dirt bike guys, obviously mountain bike, road bike, all those different customers. You can put your bike racks on there. Really the sky's the limit that you can put anything hitch mounted on there. And it's a very cool setup because it is off-road rated to hold your 37-inch spare tire. When you don't want to use it, you can actually just slide this off the truck. And what makes what we're talking about here unique is we've worked with RIG'd to bring a 2.5-inch size hitch and bigger. Previously, you had to use a 2.0 and size up to 2.5 or even 3.5 or 3-inch, excuse me. These are natively 2.5-inch hitches that then have an adapter to 3-inch that's rock solid. So as you can see here, you're getting a ton of use. You saw full use out of your tailgate, things like that. This one's even equipped with a table, which again seems like something you wouldn't use. However, again, if you are going out hunting, taking the kids camping, having a table right here is such a handy feature. I'm running one on my truck, and I gotta be honest, that seemed like the dumbest addition, but it's actually one of the favorite pieces of my weekend kit now. Now you might recognize this truck. This is a newer Ram 2500 owned by Ian in our warehouse. We did a separate tradesman transformation video on it, so if you're interested, check out those videos. But essentially what he uses this truck for, it tows his pre-runner so he can hook the hitch for his trailer up to the main hitch on this unit, and that actually gives you 10,000 pounds of rated capacity. So again, as long as you're under that 10,000 pounds, you actually can still tow with this, again, while keeping a full-size spare at the rear of the truck. So weekend warrior guys, UTV guys, light pre-runner and Jeep guys, this is an awesome solution that still allows you to get that spare. He can open up the swing out, get full access to his tailgate and the Go Fast camper. So it really is a Swiss Army knife product that works quite well. Then when you get home, say you don't want the spare tire in the back of your truck, unhitch it and you're done. Put it in your garage, put it in your shop, and you have a full-size, spare tire option when you need it. And when you don't need it, it's perfectly handy to store. So it's just a very cool universal option for those of you out there who want a full-size spare, but don't want to commit to a full-size hitch replacement or mounting it in the bed. You can't mount it in the bed because you've got a camper. So for those Ram guys running slide-in campers, these have become very handy. And our version here at CJC is going to have that native 2.5-inch hitch that can then adapt to the 3-inch hitch on some of the Ford and Ram trucks and things like that. Now lastly, we have the Ramble Swing. So the Ramble Swing is what's on my personal truck. With this setup, I am not looking for the tow rating. I am not looking for the spare tire holder. I am looking for a swing out that is off-road rated, and it came with a table. I got back from a trip. The guys at RIG'd put this on my truck while I was gone, and I thought, why the heck did they put a table on my truck? One camping trip with it, and it's been an awesome solution. So my personal use case, I had the trophy hitch on my Ford, but I did want a solid off-road rated swing out, and the RIG'd Ramble Swing is going to be just that. I can run the bike rack. I put 4 bikes, 2 e-bikes plus my kids' bikes. We take it off road, and it is a rock solid setup. It acts like a step. I can cook on this table. It's really been a universal setup for me. Again, I don't need the spare tire, but with this setup where the table mounts, I can also mount a spare tire mount. So it's a little bit of a different setup than the UltraSwing. It doesn't have the tow rating, but if I wanted to, I still could put a spare tire back there again. So guys with Go Fast campers, guys with slide-in campers, or someone who just wants the best of the best swing out carrier for your bike rack, dirt bike, pack mule, whatever you want to put in there that's hitch mounted. These setups work extremely well. And again, this is a native 2.5-inch tube, so it's already the oversized, and then you just use a slight spacer to the 3-inch, utilizing their patented setup for tension. There's zero rocking, zero play or anything like that. So these are just very cool setups. We've got them in stock here at CJC Off-Road. Check out the link below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, shoot us an email, give us a call. Be happy to help you guys out. And these things are on the shelf, ready to go. Small plug at the very end of this video, the RIG'd company also has a specific off-road rated bike rack. So for those of you mountain bikers out there, fat tire guys, just camping guys who want a bike rack where your bike's not gonna fall off highway, check it out. We also have those on the website and have them in stock as well.